dare you beat. When you hit me in that fight, your punch was so weak. Remember that card? You got caught beating your mate over that ringside hostage. Your life's so peak. You think you're right, but you can't even afford needles, folks. In this so weird, exposed. You're gonna attack me with chainsaw teeth. But if we meet, I'll turn you into a sheep kebab. You make this personal, I'm gonna have to end you. Or I will end you. Your breath smells like garlic, you smell like pig. Your brain must be empty. This time I'll take your card. You can't even feel much. The end of you is now, the rise of me is here. You can say I've got one subscriber, I've got 1,000, you've got 3, and that's your mum.